example, the lower end of a capillary tube is immersed in mercury. The level of mercury in the tube is found to be 2 centimeters. So height of fall of mercury is 2 centimeters. If same tube is immersed in water, what would be the height of water? So in such a case, we need to refer the table to see the surface tension of mercury, surface tension of water, angle of contact of mercury and angle of contact to water. So from the table, the surface tension of mercury is 0.4355 Newton per meter, or we can round it off to 0.436, while surface tension of water is 0.072 Newton per meter. Angle of contact of mercury is 140 degree, and the value of cos 140 is negative 0.77, while angle of contact for water is 0. So first of all, using the height of mercury, we can find the radius of capillary tube, and then we can find the height of water in the same tube. So the height of fall of mercury would be given by 2t cos theta upon rho r g. So this is 2 centimeters, so it will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, 2 into surface tension 0.436 into cos 140 is 0.77, neglecting the minus sign or minus on both sides get cancelled out, fall. The density of mercury is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 into the radius of capillary tube that we need to find, and the gravity, say we are taking 10 for easy calculation. Actually there is no easy calculation in this question anywhere, so still we are trying. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 0.436 into 0.77 divided by 13.6 into 10 to the power 2, this 10 raised to 3 and this 10 become 10 raised to 2. And the radius of capillary tube, on solving you will get radius of capillary tube as, so in that case we say 0.436 divided by multiplied by 0.77, that comes out to be 0.33572 divided by 13.6. okay, so divided by 13.6 into 10 raised to 2 as it is. On dividing, that comes out to be 0.025 approximately into 10 raised to minus 2. So it will be 0.025 centimeter is the radius of the capillary tube that can be directly used to find rise of water in the same tube. So let's take the next page. The height to which water will rise will be equal to 2t of surface tension of water cos theta for water upon rho for water r into g. So 2 into this will be 0.072, that is surface tension of water. For water, angle is 0 degree. Density of water is 1000, radius that is 0.025 into 10 raised to minus 2 in meter, and the value of g is 10. Now let's solve this. Now on multiplying this, 2 into 7.2 would be 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14, and decimal point after 3 digit, cos 0 would be 1 divided by, now if you multiply this, so this is 10 raised to 3, this is 10 to the power 4 minus 2, so that would be 100, so that comes out to be 2.5. Now 0.144 divided by 2.5, what would be the answer to this question? 0.144 divided by 2.5 if you do, so you will get 0.0576 in meter. So the rise in centimeter would be 5.76 centimeter. The water will rise in the same tube. Thank you.